Madam, respected Principal Sir, Administrators, teachers, staff members, parents, and dear students. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the 76th Republic Day of our great nation, India. On this special day, I extend my warmest greetings to everyone present here. Republic Day holds a very special place in our hearts because it marks the day in 1950 when the Constitution of India came into effect, transforming our country into a sovereign, democratic and republic nation. This momentous occasion reflects the values of equality, liberty and justice that guide us citizens of diverse and vibrant nation. As we stand here today, let us not forget the sacrifices of the countless freedom fighters and visionaries who dreamt of a free and progressive India. Their determination, courage and selflessness have given us the privilege to live in a country where democracy thrives and every individual has a voice. Our constitution, crafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar sir and his team, is not just a legal document. It is the foundation of our nation's unity, diversity. It reminds us of our rights and responsibilities. As educators and students, it is our duty to respect these values and contribute positively to the society. Dear students, you are the future of our nation. On this Republic Day, I urge you to dream big and work hard to make those dreams a reality. Be proud of your heritage, but also be open to innovation and growth. Remember, true patriotism is not just in words, but in actions. Small efforts to create a better, cleaner, and more harmonious society go a long way. To the teachers and staff, I recommend you for your relentless efforts in shaping your minds. You are the guiding force behind these future leaders, and your role in pivotal in nurturing a generation that will lead India to greater heights. As we hoist the national flag today, let us pledge to uphold the principles enshrined in the Constitution. Let us commit ourselves to building an India that our forefathers envisioned, an India of prosperity, inclusiveness, and global recognition. On this proud occasion, let us celebrate our achievements and look forward to a brighter future. May all work together to uphold the dignity and values of our Republic. Thank you very much. Jai Hind and Jai Karnataka. Thank you.